Why don't the tigers eat humans?
That is a
Really
bizarre
dumb.
question. Dumb नहीं, I would say more like a bizarre question. Like something आपने पूछ लिया है तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि इसका क्या जवाब होना चाहिए सही. See, tigers don't consider us prey. I think मेरी जितनी अपनी समझ है लिमिटेड, जो थोड़ा बहुत मैंने पढ़ा है उससे मेरा ये नजरिया है कि because humans for the longest time have been hunting predators ever since so called early man जो है वो went from being a prey to a predator, eventually had developed the know-how of tools and which he could then spear the early microliths से blades वगैरह बनाना, वो सारी चीजें that he could then use to had fire and then could use to not only defend themselves against natural predator but also actually go on the offensive and kill them if needed. तो उसके बाद से आई थिंक ओवर दी thousands of years of evolution, the predator learned that this is a animal that is a human being, that animal, two-legged animal that is not to be messed with because ये मार लेते हैं. Of course, just like, and this is something that is now being increasingly proved that just like humans have different personalities, कोई हंसमुख है, कोई वही बातें सीरियस है, कोई जो है वो बदमाश है, कोई जो है बहुत सीधा है, ऐसे ही जो है वो जानवरों में, टाइगर्स में पर्सनालिटीज
Personalities.
होती हैं. And so there are tigers who are very shy, who are very bold, there are ones who are aggressive, there are ones who are very passive, there are ones who are very friendly, there are ones who are not so friendly. तो उसी तरह से there will be cases where tigers जो हैं वो break this general trend and
Yeah.
might attack a human being or see them as prey. It happens very, very, very rarely, but it does happen every once in a very, very long blue moon. मतलब पहले ये एक सोचा जाता था कि टाइगर, जैसे कॉर्पोरेट रॉबर्ट किताबें पढ़े हैं आप और
इंजर
सुना हो
हो
कि
गया
वो
हो तो
टाइगर था, इंजर हो गया या बूढ़ा हो गया तो वो तभी मैन ईटर होता है. अब ये प्रूव हुआ कि उन सिचुएशन में भी दैट कैन लीड टू मैन ईटिंग, बट कई बार बिल्कुल हेल्दी जानवर जो है वो भी कभी कभार जो है टाइगर
मार
जो है
देते
वो मार देते हैं. बट एज आई सेड इट्स वेरी 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 रेयर. मतलब यू आर मच मोर लाइकली टू गेट हिट बाय, एटलीस्ट अगर एक प्रोबेबिलिटी देखें आपकी और मेरी, so we are probably much more likely to get hit by a bolt of lightning from the sky than get killed by a tiger.
Right.